Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool element right here, and basically what this is a water filter or shower filter. You can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and they mentioned how the product has 15 stages of filter when you guys do use it for showering and etc. So you see inside they probably got some of the specs and features on here, and we got to turn this side. They mentioned each different section or each different stage when you guys do the shower filter. So first thing, I actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So the first thing we can see inside is the actual tape. That's leak-proof tape. So you do want to apply this on when you guys first use it. Next up right here, they probably got instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And last but not least, we do have the actual product. And they probably got some extra washers right here. So I'm going to take it out. Alright, so you see right here, we do have the washer. So they probably got 2 of them. And then right here, we do have the actual product. And we see we do have the brand logo. So when you guys do use it, you want to put this part on top. And that's basically what the top part should look like. And then here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality product. But when you guys open it up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So they probably got this option inside. And right here we do have the actual filter. And here's the bottom part. And here is the other side of the lid. So when you guys first use the product, you do want to run some water through the filter and make sure it's all clean before you guys use it. Because when you guys first use the product and turn on the water, you probably will see some of the black stuff coming out. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. And for these filters, they are replaceable. So every like 6 to 9 months, you do want to replace it. But once you guys put it inside, you guys can close it back up. Once you guys close it back up, then all set to start using it. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how to install it, and then we'll also test it out to show you guys how it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let me show you guys how to install it. So you guys need to use the white tape right here to actually tape it on first, so that way none of the water can leak out. Alright, so we got the layer on. Now let's screw it on. So literally all you need to do is just screw it on just like this. Make it as tight as possible. Alright, so that should be good. Once you guys do that, then you guys can set up your shower head or whatever you guys want to use. So in this case, I have this one for mine. So what I'll do first is put on white tape here as well. So like I mentioned earlier, basically the benefit of using white tape is prevent the leakage. Alright, so that should be good. Let's cut it. And now we can set it up. So you can definitely use a wrench if you guys want to, but for this test I'm not going to. Alright, so once you guys set it up, this is what the product looks like. If you guys are interested in getting this shower head, feel free to get it. It's from this brand right here, and this is what the package looks like. So first thing I'm going to do when you guys first get it, like I mentioned, you guys want to run the water through the filter to make sure it's clean. So I'm going to angle the camera to show you guys what the bottom part of the water looks like when you guys do use it. Alright, so this is the bottom view of what the product looks like from the top. So I'm going to turn on the water and show you guys what the water looks like when you guys first use it. Because when you guys first turn it on, it should be black or something because of the filter. But let's turn it on and test it out. Alright, so see how all the water is all black? And that is basically from the filter. So what you're going to do is kind of like turn it on and off like a few times to make sure it's fully clean before you do use the shower filter. So I'm going to turn it off and try again. Usually I recommend doing like 2 or 3 times. It doesn't hurt to do more. Alright, so see there's some more during the second time. So just run it a few times to make sure it's clean before you guys use it. That way you guys know the filter does work, and that way you guys know you guys have clean water to use. So the water is slightly cleaner now, but it's still a little bit if you guys look carefully on here. Alright, let's do it one more time. Alright, so you can still see the color on here is slightly black or kind of like a dark color. So like I mentioned, if you guys want to just run it a few more times, you definitely can. But as you can see, the product definitely does work to help you guys filter your water. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. If you guys do set up the shower filter and also my shower head as well. Alright, come back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, and definitely see actually does work and actually works quite well. So if you see when you guys first turn on the water on here, you can definitely see like the black water and everything because of the filter is brand new. So I mentioned you do need to let water run through it to make sure it's clean before you use it. But once you guys have everything all set up, you will definitely know that the water is much cleaner when you guys do use it. So if you guys are living somewhere where there's like a lot of chlorine or chemicals or minerals or something, that is where one of these actually comes in handy to help you guys filter the water to make it more clean. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to end question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially like I mentioned, if your water is not clean, if there's like chemicals, chlorine or something, then definitely getting one of these is actually pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.